We are live on gold. We will be doing. First, I have to check, and yes, we are in. I'm just confirming the voice so that I can see how is it working. Yes or no. So, voice check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right now it's New York 9293, and we'll be looking for trade setups. Overall, we are well, I'm looking for the bullish market, so my bias is bullish for the day. All the trades which I'll be looking for will be I'll be considering a price going up. So I'm just waiting for that 930. We already have prices above. So I'm looking at my eyes are here. Buy side liquidity, so we'll be looking for that area to be triggered. So if we're looking for entry, and a good entry, we'll be waiting and we'll see how does it move. I'll be doing demo trades just to test the concepts of ICT. The credit should be given to him. And so early in the day we saw a trade. If you really want to see a trade price dropping into the previous lows, that can also be one of the model. Going below and then waiting for one of your models. If you follow 22 models, so then there will be a break of structure. If you are looking for a inversion fair value gap, then you will, after a turtle soup, you wait for the you know uh, for example here, if we have a trade, so you should be looking for what? A buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So here, yeah, the price drop in, but when the price move to the upper side, the price went above this zone. So here, if this was the, so it went before the pre-market, so price going down and coming again at the macro, you can enter here 710. Price went up once again. You can wait for this 750 macro once again, keeping the stop loss maybe below this midpoint. That would be fair enough. Or maybe this one. Once the price went and have a chain of state of delivery, then it should be coming to the break even. And then it was to the pip and price went up, came down. It's again going in the sink. So what I actually see is that they would not take these lows, and this is for my own personal growth. I'm a great fan of learning concepts and things. So they've taken already highs in silver and gold. It's still short. The highs in the short. So they might drop maybe into this fair value gap. So we have confluence number one. We do not have any news. As I remember, I didn't see any news. The news, it's done. We do not have any news. And today, according to ICT, he does not encourage to trade. So yeah, no, there's no news. Yeah, we're looking after 12 o'clock. So that's also the thing. So you can skip this, and hey, even this is a trade on a very small time frame. I can grab a trade, easy peasy. So for a small time frame, you can also look this as a what? As inversion, and then price. So right now, I won't encourage right now to take this as a trade. This can also be our catalyst for buys. Excuse me, I have a flu, so sorry for that. Whoever is watching. And this would not be a very good trade, but still looking, and we might, because when the market opens it do a lot of damage, so we'll be doing paper trades here. I don't know why does it's open or not. Nothing is there, I guess. So they're saying it's a huge position which I've you can never, you will never take this kind of trade. I I would agree with everyone. So this is a scalp, if and just looking for the price to do its thing, which is price move from inefficiency to towards the external range liquidity. So that's the uh, internal range liquidity, and that would be their external range liquidity. Now we have to understand a few things in the market that we can keep it to this equal lows. That's a very good uh, price should go there, and on one time frame, you know the you know that the you're not calling anything uh, trying to be predictive, but if they go above, then the overall buys that we are looking, it will be active. So maybe they stop on the dam on the rejection block here. The good trade you'll have here. So yeah, let them take whatever they want. Overall, if you remember when I start the session, I was looking for bulls market, and dropping into minute one time frame is just seeing how the market wants to participate here. I just want to see. And this is what I said that what else we can do in the market. It's and here we go, head in the head. Okay, that was a stop out. Really, really good stop out. That's still the inversion. Overall, we are bullish here. Prices will go above 3,986. That's the premise where it should go for this week. So, dropping into minute 3, 5, and 1 minutes, you will have the overall direction. You'll see on minute one time frame. You'll even see uh, the market taking the sell side. So the scalp, which we were trying to capitalize here, it was on the behalf of this structure. So low, high, price coming back. Was looking this as a mitigation block, rejecting here, drop. So on 9:30, you're expecting price to drop here, and maybe this fair value gap or this I was expecting. But you have to have that in mind that if you see in 9:30 New York time, there's 15 minutes. So if you see that the price didn't take these lows, which is 39,973, this or this, if it's above, then the price will go above uh, the bigger time frame chart. So if you keep something in your mind, that would be easy for you to frame your analysis, and you will be sync with the market. It will be quite easy for you to trade in that environment. You get confused with seeing this, you know, the recent price action. That also makes you confused with the ICT concept. But if you follow one model, there are so many models. 22 models says that price. And if I can blend, I can blend in a minute. Oops, did we broke something? Oops, we are safe. So I'm not gonna be ICT that talks. He's the guru, he can talk. But it's the first day. I've tested it for a quite long time, and I think it's good. I already have already thought to use ICT. I want small stop losses whenever I trade. I'm trading for since 5 years, so I always wanted these small stop losses in ICT. In ICT concept, I found that thing and I've tested it, and it's amazing to trade with these concepts. So a lot of people, make confuse themselves with ICT concepts. It's not that difficult, but we are not going to do anything live. Everything will be on the paper trade, and we will show you, and I will show you everything that's the market will be doing. We'll be explaining things here, and let me see if I can come every day. A little bit difficult for me today. Also, I'm a little bit sick, but well, these are the days which ICT does not like to trade. So I came here on the channel to, show some skills and trying to be messy here. So trying to figure out the market things here there. Uh, I already looked at gold and silver. So gold, I mean silver took that high. So if you see here, did you see the previous high? They have rated the previous high. Even that's a good sign that they will not, not be coming too much below. Maybe they can come somewhere this area, or if this is taken, that can be a break block. This can be a breaker block. What we do not trade silver, I mostly look into I don't know how to mute mic. So my kids are around here as well, so let's drop into the chart. So here we go. So I mean this can be the breaker as price is above, and today it took a low around 7 a.m. Price rallied. Now here the price should not close any candle below this midpoint, and price should rally above. But here, if you want to see target, you can look for the target on a small time frame. So you can look for this, the mean threshold or the midpoint of this candle. That can be a target in silver. This can be a target. That midpoint can be a premise. And for the week, this is beautiful. Whenever there is a equal highs, they will never leave them. They will take them. So that can be the silver target. My laptop is getting sleepy for a while, so let's see that it get. I Let me fix the power in it. It's getting messy here. Let's fix it. Okay. I mean, I know everybody wants to make money in this market, and no one wants to listen the stories. No one wants to listen the stories there, and this is what it is. You understand? I don't understand the premise. I've been there. I've been there. I've been there. Everything on ICT is understandable. Okay, let's fix the charger and then we will see the market behavior. Okay. So, okay. Let's see. Whoa. not be sure about each and everything of ICT, but okay, so let's see and talk about gold. So you know we can just drop into minute 5 time frame, and okay, let's clean it for a while. Okay, so the premise is we are moving above, we're dropping into minute 5 time frame. Price left a first presented fair value gap, which was our area of interest. So price can just straight bang into that area if it so price is here, if you can see from this, price is just touching and moving. So well, every candle closing above means that price would be moving fast. One contract, so leaving and then going above is what do you do here? Nothing. Hold your horses. The price is fast. They will respect each and every fair value gaps. So if you want to enter on this fair value, this order block, then price, we'll tab it and go just like it tabbed here. It did not close below. It was nearly that thing, but it moved above. It's like close above, came down, went above. This is a very good sign that they will go above that zone, meaning what? A high resist. It's a high resistance, not a low resistance. Low resistance would be something like price from this high should not cross below, and then every they should just go in the flush of the eyes. That's what it's when you open a trade and it's like keep on moving up and up and up and up and up and up. It's a wonderful trade. So if I see this candle closing above, then that's can be a very good sign that okay, they want to move. So we can keep our stop loss here, very small stop loss, very big take profit. Now this is not to be fancy here. Okay, let's make it 100, and that's a very good trade. there, and let's see how does the target gets banged. It's not equity. Equity opens in next 3 minutes. So before that opens, this should just take this liquidity, and once it did that, okay, it's showing wonderful signs. Moment one time frame. Merge block. Here should be. I mean, I should execute it here, but it is what it is. And I always want to see price move quickly. I want to see meandering around here and there. Nothing meandering around here and there. Okay. Now here, if it's I would close like majority of position around. Okay, here I should close 50. Half of the position should be closed. It should be taken here, and yes, that's the high time frame target for gold. It looks like they're going to take that target. It's crossing. Ninety units should be closed here. Ah, so if they came down, then it's not a good chance, not a very good one. I don't want to see too much movement. I just want to see a good move above this zone. No messing around, nothing here and there, just straight to the target. If it does not happen, this will be closed. I don't know, close like yeah, that should be the run. Nothing to the downside. Not a very good, which I see right now. it's 9:32, 9:33. There's a lot of liquidity downside as well, but until and unless this can act as a inversion, you know what, inversion rejection block. Once it respect the time, so if you see the market is in a bearish sync, so you will see in the coming price if it's bearish. Now, as they have left equal, they've taken here, but this is where they can come again for it. They can do that. Then they can do a lot of things. They can just hmm. For sells, I have to wait a little bit more, and for buys, it's already in a buy market. So if it's a they want to move, they can move from here. So my trade would be just be looking a trade setup here in a while, targeting upper side. If it can do faster, then it's great. Otherwise, I'm not being trusted. So welcome back. So as you can see, price touch the breaker block, and this is also kind of seeing the market in such a way that price could not took the previous high, so they went above into rejection block. So if you see this as a rejection block, it could not reach the midpoint and drop. Now it's a 50-50 scenario that's need to be uh, kept in mind as well. You know, price taking lows, we should take that take profit. Now the trades which I took today, it was like too much uh, getting involved in the small time frame, but it can go and hit that place as well. But we have if we and what I did is that, as this is a price went above, came down, broke below this level, so that's our breaker, the up close candle. So we're taking these two, almost we can take three, but we have uh, two arrays, the breaker block and this inversion, so we can safely keep our stop loss above this level, and price should just now keep on going to the downside. So now I can just remove this breaker block and just watch the inversion fair value gap for price to drop. So still in this macro time, price can touch maybe the lower midpoint or somewhere tick a little bit above that, and just we'll keep it one tick above that zone. Price sometimes just, because it's the brokerage, they just bang here and there in the head, so we'll be looking one more, maybe if the price can touch the maybe the lower quadrant, which is 976. So normally I close trade setup here, so let me see if it can make a move in till 10:10 New York time. So 15 minutes I can wait, and then we'll be closing the session. Let's see what does it do here. And let me close the That's wonderful. To the tick, it stop on the inversion here till the let the candle close here, and then we'll see. Whoa, it's like, what the hell? They'll be like, what the hell? So, and the 10 would be execute, it'd be taken from the market here, if I'm right, not sure here with it. So they took this low, and the price would just keep on dropping like a knife. Should do its job. They have done the damage here. They have done the damage, so we have to see how does it move one. I just want to see. So the price would be fast. They would go fast to the downside. It's why? How do I know that? The displacement that happened here and all those buyers trying to buy who bought here, they would just knock their heads off here. No, so maybe they can just reach maybe this low, but they would be doing something here as well. So well, let's close in this vicinity. That would be perfect. Let's keep it here. Yeah, that will be okay. I just want to let it bring more closer to the stop loss. So price should not go do anything stupid, although it can drop towards the my eyes are straight on this level, 3951, and I like to enter like ICT with, I mean, which he say a phrase, holding a tiger by its tail. So you enter earlier, so you have a chance to break even everything. You can hold it easily for. So yeah, it's quite easy for a trader to hold a trade or collapse a trade as well. You have time. That was a wonderful delivery here. You know, if I was in my MetaTrader 5, that's easy for me to take out a trade. Here I'm a little bit, I don't know how to take it out in order. And let me check how do we do that. Let's close one unit out of it and learn this thing as well in this trade. And here we go. So I don't know if it will open a trade or if will it close a trade. It's a pivot trade. Okay, let's see. Will it close or not? So here I think here it will take some time to take that profit. It's a limit. Oh no. And it's not active. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Market order buy stop limit. Hmm. Don't know, don't know, don't. It is what it is. here is this is the trade setup, which it should just do its thing. And trading like an ICT, sometimes it feels like you should not talk about it, because the things which he have, it's really, really, really interesting. It's how the market is. So now it's a time when the price should just drop. No excuses, nothing. It should do its thing. I want to see price drop towards this level, which is 950 with 3,951. That's what I want. This wick is a very good target, to close majority of position in this. Is the final premise, which you can also take a trade took off here all trades. It's taking some time, but it is what it is. So are we open? Mic, let's okay, it's open. So price didn't close above this breaker block, which is this. I mentioned the first presented fair value gap. And if you want to see 9 after 9:30, you can look for there's nothing that, so I was looking pre-market, so that where I see it's the 9.9, so that was the place where I was looking for. And price went up into the previous rejection block, drop, went above, went once again, closed below this breaker block. So ICT's made it you know he had his reason for making it a little bit complicated, but it is very, very easy. If you are a new trader and you are reading ICT, just a fair inversion fair value gap would work with the premise of learning the previous things which you have learned. And then one fair value inversion fair value gap could work. So this can also be an inversion fair value gap, this can also be an inversion fair value gap. Price when come below and touch it, and it's closing on the midpoint. That's when I, in the mid of the this session, I said that look, it's wonderful, it's closing on the once again went above but dropped. So it's doing the damage. What's doing the damage? Body telling the story, and it's doing its job. Already it has taken the low. If it's a drop, then obviously the low, which is it, they will bang it, which is this one. That's even a little bit unknown, but I mean, if it's me, then I'll be taking hair and hair. Not below this low, never. I will not do that for today, as it's not. There is no total soup in it, so will not be interested in that as well. This low and this low, these are wonderful places for partial. So when you open a position, you have to close something out of it. Now here, this order. Okay, wonderful. Now that's wonderful. Here, I would close 20, and we will leave for, yes, now it's okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So 20 will be closed here on gold, and that 4 will be closed below. So that's the time at So what I said is that I was looking for to close something partial. I want to see price drop below this level, and maybe if till 11 New York time it does not close below, then this would be a little bit fishier. So price running quickly to the upper side means they do not want to do that move. So you can drop it to more to the downside, and it should do its job. The time is they should be dropping, and well, taking something out of it is a wonderful thing. Price respecting the inversion. So first on the, well, I was looking at this price action. Price close above here, wicked out, but when the price was going, it was like for the buyer, for the retailer, that's going to the moon, as they say. So here, if it goes quickly anytime, and that's a clear